Alright, when you're looking for the intake manifold bolts and you know they're missing, you've taken out everything you can. You've taken out that one there, 12 mil. You've taken out that one there, 12 mil. Let's go from right to left, starting at the bottom. 1, 2, all these are 12 mil. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These little puppies here, they're for you. They're way out here, but that goes all the way through into that cylinder head. And I looked all over for these bolts and I couldn't find them. That's the ones you want. Let me do that one more time just to make it sure. Right bottom, starting going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Take them 7 12 millis out and see what you happen to have. And that should get that intake manifold out of there. Let's give it a try and I'll be right back. So that's what the game plan is.